Hey there, my friends. I want to start today with a question. How would it feel to wake up every morning feeling lighter, stronger, more energized, and just younger? Not just in your body, but in your mind, your confidence, and your overall zest for life. Now, I know for many of us over 50, that might sound like a dream, right? But here's the thing, it's absolutely possible. And today, I'm going to share with you the top 3 exercises that can literally transform your body and keep you feeling fit, agile, and youthful no matter your age. These are simple, effective, and designed specifically for seniors like us. So, make sure you stick around because these exercises are game changers. First, let's talk about why exercise becomes so crucial after 50. You see, after 50, our bodies naturally start losing muscle mass and bone density. Our metabolism slows down, and if we're not careful, flexibility and balance start declining too. But the good news is, with the right movements, we can slow, stop, and sometimes even reverse these changes. We're talking about exercises that aren't just for building muscles or losing weight. They're for preserving independence, reducing the risk of falls, boosting energy, and keeping your heart and joints healthy. Now, I know many of you are thinking, I'm not ready for heavy weights or complicated routines, and that's exactly why these exercises are perfect. They don't require a gym membership or fancy equipment, and you can do them right at home. And yes, even if you've never exercised regularly before, you can start with these. Alright, let's dive into the first exercise. And this one is something I consider absolutely foundational, the squat. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, I can't do squats anymore, let me tell you, squats are one of the most powerful movements for seniors. Because squats target your largest muscles, the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. These are the muscles that help you get up from a chair, climb stairs, and stay mobile. Squats also strengthen your bones, improve circulation, and even help with posture. Here's how to do it safely. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart, toes slightly pointing out. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders relaxed. Now, imagine you're sitting back into a chair, lowering your hips slowly while keeping your weight on your heels. Go as low as feels comfortable. Remember, quality over depth. Then push through your heels to stand back up. That's 1 rep. Start with 10 to 12 reps, 2 to 3 sets. And here's a tip. If you feel unsteady, use a sturdy chair or countertop for support. The beauty of squats is that they not only strengthen your legs but also engage your core. A stronger core means better balance, less risk of falls, and a more upright posture that makes you look taller and feel more confident. Over time, doing squats regularly can literally change how you move in your daily life. You'll notice things like climbing stairs becoming easier, getting up from the couch without wincing, or even walking longer distances without fatigue. Now, the second exercise is one that often gets overlooked but is absolutely critical for seniors. The push-up, or more precisely, modified push-ups. Many people assume push-ups are only for younger, fit people, but that's not true at all. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. Why is this so important after 50? Because as we age, upper body strength tends to decline faster than lower body strength. And that can make everyday tasks like carrying groceries, lifting objects, or even getting up from the floor more difficult. If standard push-ups feel too challenging, don't worry. Start with wall push-ups or incline push-ups using a sturdy table or countertop. Stand facing the wall, place your hands shoulder-width apart, step back slightly, and lean forward, lowering your chest toward the wall. Then push back to the starting position. Focus on controlled movements, slow and steady. Aim for 8 to 10 reps, building up to 12 or 15 as you get stronger. The push-up is more than just building strength. It also helps with posture and bone health. Strong arms and shoulders reduce strain on your back and neck, and by engaging your chest and upper back muscles, you're creating better support for your spine. I've seen seniors who, after a few weeks of doing modified push-ups, stand taller, feel more capable in their daily activities, and even experience less shoulder discomfort. Alright, now let's move on to the third and absolutely magical exercise for seniors, the plank. Yes, the plank, the simple, static hold that works wonders for your entire body. Why is it so effective? Because the plank engages your core, your back, your glutes, your shoulders, and even your legs. It's a full-body exercise that improves strength, balance, and stability, all critical for staying independent as we age. To do a plank safely, start on your forearms and knees if needed. Keep your back straight, shoulders over your elbows, and imagine a straight line from your head to your knees, or toes if you're on your feet. Hold this position for 15 to 20 seconds at first. As you get stronger, aim for 30 seconds, then 45, and eventually up to a minute. And don't worry if you can't hold it long at the beginning. That's perfectly normal. Even a short hold engages your muscles and starts building strength. One of the things I love about planks is that they train your body to work as a unit. It's not just your abs, it's your glutes, your shoulders, and your back, all working together to stabilize you. And a strong core is the secret to avoiding falls, improving your posture, and even reducing back pain. Think about it. Every time you bend down to tie your shoes, lift a grandchild, or reach for something on a high shelf, your core is what keeps you steady. And the plank strengthens it beautifully. Now, here's the thing about all three of these exercises. They're simple, yes, but consistency is key. You won't feel miracles overnight, but if you make squats, push-ups, and planks part of your routine, even just 3 times a week, you'll start noticing changes in just a few weeks. More energy, better balance, stronger muscles, and an overall sense of, I've got this, when it comes to daily life. And I want to share a little secret with you. These exercises do something even more powerful than just improving strength. They improve confidence. Because when your body is strong and capable, your mind feels younger, your mood lifts, and you naturally move through the world with more ease and grace. You'll notice yourself reaching for challenges you might have avoided before, taking a longer walk, trying a new hobby, or just feeling proud of how you move every day. Now, I know some of you might be worried about joint pain or past injuries, and that's a valid concern. But here's the beauty of these exercises. They're scalable. Squats can be shallow or supported, push-ups can be on the wall or table, and planks can be done on knees instead of toes. Start where you are, listen to your body, and gradually progress. There's no rush, no competition, just steady, smart movement that benefits your body for the long term. I also want to touch on the mental benefits of exercise, because staying young isn't just about muscles. Research shows that regular exercise reduces stress, boosts memory, and even improves sleep quality. So when you do these 3 exercises, you're not only strengthening your body, you're nourishing your brain. You're setting yourself up for a life where you feel vibrant, alert, and capable no matter your age. Let's also talk about motivation for a moment. I get it. Some days it's hard to get moving. You might feel tired, sore, or just unmotivated. My advice? Focus on how great you'll feel afterward, not just during the exercise. Even a short session, 10 to 15 minutes, can make a huge difference. And over time, your body will start craving movement because it feels so good. Pair these exercises with a bit of stretching or a short walk, and you've created a routine that keeps you active, energized, and joyful. And here's a tip for building habit and consistency. Schedule your exercises like appointments. Pick a time of day that works for you, maybe in the morning with your coffee or in the afternoon as a little energy boost. Make it non-negotiable, even if it's just 1 set of each exercise. The key is showing up every day, even if it's a little. Those small actions compound into real, visible results. I also want to mention something that many seniors overlook: breathing. During all these exercises, especially squats and planks, focus on deep, controlled breathing. Inhale as you prepare, and exhale as you push or lift. Proper breathing improves oxygen flow to your muscles, reduces tension, and helps you perform the movements more safely and effectively. Now, let me summarize everything so it's easy to remember. The 3 exercises I recommend for staying fit and young after 50 are squats, push-ups, or modified push-ups, and planks. They strengthen your entire body, improve balance, support joint health, boost confidence, and even help your mental well-being. And the best part? You can do them at home, at your own pace, with minimal equipment. Imagine 6 weeks from now. You've been consistent, showing up for your body. You notice that getting up from the couch is easier. Walking upstairs doesn't leave you winded. You have more energy for your hobbies, your family, and your adventures. Your posture is better, your confidence is higher, and your body just feels alive again. That's not just a dream, it's achievable if you start today. Before I let you go, I want to give you a little bonus tip. Pair these exercises with light stretching and mobility work. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching after your session helps prevent stiffness, improves flexibility, and keeps your joints healthy. Think neck rotations, shoulder rolls, hamstring stretches, and gentle twists. It's the finishing touch that makes your routine complete. So here's what I want you to do next. Stand up, find a little space, and try one set of squats, one set of push-ups, and hold a plank for as long as you can. Feel your muscles waking up, your body thanking you. Start small, be consistent, and watch the transformation unfold. And remember, age is just a number. It doesn't define your strength, your energy, or your ability to stay vibrant and independent. With the right exercises and a bit of commitment, you can stay fit, agile, and youthful for decades to come. These 3 exercises are your foundation, the tools to build a body that supports your life, not limits it. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If you try these exercises, let me know in the comments how they feel. I'd love to hear your progress, your challenges, and any questions you have. And if you want more exercises specifically for seniors and ways to improve flexibility, strength, and energy, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. You have everything it takes to stay fit and young after 50. It's not about extremes, it's about consistency, smart movement, and showing up for your body every day. Start today, and in a few weeks, you'll be amazed at what your body can do. You deserve to feel strong, confident, and full of life, and these exercises are the first step. So go ahead, move, breathe, and embrace your strength. You're never too old to feel young, to feel strong, and to take control of your health. And I promise, once you start, you'll never look back. Here's to your energy, your strength, and your vibrant, unstoppable self.